Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I welcome all of you for the environmental classes. Today's class is for the 12th, and the topic that we are going to discuss is the climate change. Climate change is a long-term shift in the weather conditions identified by change in the temperature, precipitation, wind, and other indicators. Climate change can involve both the changes in average condition and the change in the variability, including, for example, the extreme events. The Earth's climate is naturally variable on all time scales. However, its long-term state and the average temperature are regulated by the balance between the incoming and outgoing energy, which determines the Earth's energy balance. Any factor that causes a sustained change to the amount of incoming energy or the amount of outgoing energy can lead to climate change. Different factors operate on different time scale, and not all of those factors that have been responsible for change in the Earth's climate is the distant past are relevant to contemporary climate change. Factors that cause the climate change can be divided into two categories: those related to the natural process and those related to the human activities. In addition to the natural cause of climate change, internal to the climate system, such as variations in oceans, currents, and atmospheric circulation can also influence the climate for a short period of time. This natural internal climate variability is superimposed on the long-term forces climate change. What is the most important cause of climate change? Human activity is the main cause of climate change. People burn fossil fuels and convert land for forestry to agriculture. Since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, people have burned more and more fossil fuels and changed vast area of land for the forests to farmland. Burning fossil fuels produce carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. It is called a greenhouse gas because it produces a greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect makes the earth warmer, just as a greenhouse is warmer than its surroundings. Carbon dioxide is the main cause of human induced climate change. It stays in the atmosphere for a long time. Or other greenhouse gases such as nitrogen oxide stay in the atmosphere for a long time. The other substances only produce short-term effects. Not all the substances produce warming. Some, like certain aerosols, can produce cooling. What are the impacts of the climate change? Over the period 1948 to 2013, the average annual temperature has warmed by 1.6 centigrade. Increased winter and spring temperatures have contributed to this warming trend to a greater degree than the other seasons. Strong warming in high altitude region is a robust characteristic of projections of future climate change as well. Further warming will be accompanied by other changes, including the amount and the distribution of rain, snow, and ice, and the risk of extreme weather events such as heat waves, heavy rainfalls, and related extreme weather events such as heat waves, heavy rainfalls, and related flooding, dry spells, and or droughts, the forest fire. In addition, in maritime nations with territories bordering on the ocean, what will be affected by the changing ocean environment, including the change in average and extreme sea level, wave regimes, and ice conditions. Dramatic reduction in the Arctic sea ice cover, particularly during the summer season, are already evident and well documented and have been attributed to human induced global warming. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching me.